So we're here at the dassault booth, and one of their partners, Rexroth, a company of Bosch, is a dassault partner, and they have this very interesting setup here of a little demonstration of an assembly part, a robotic assembly part. And what they're showing here is not only the control of the operation, but actually how they send the IoT data to build a digital twin of what's happening. So they display the digital twin. We'll see it right there. So there you can see a digital twin of what's happening in the demo facility here. And if we look down here, so that's where the magic happens. You're seeing that little black box over there to the lower down is actually the gateway that is running a web service in there that is sending the sensor data to the IoT platform, which then gets displayed in the 3D model as the digital twin. So very interesting area from rexroth.
Yeah, so I mean, something just to add, it's interesting, this is the Dassault System stand, and very similar in a lot of ways to what was discussed on the SAP stand and on the Siemens stand. What Dassault is trying to demonstrate here is the digital twin concept. So they've got from design, system design, simulation, product development to production and through to the real-life physical model.
And this is the production digital twin. The other type of digital twin is the product digital twin. So we're looking at the actual factory digital twin.
Exactly. And it's interesting. We were having a discussion with a gentleman from Rexroth about some of the benefits and some of the connectivities, and I think our discussion conclusion was it's very useful, but one has to question how much effort you need to put into developing the intimate links versus the simply connected links.
Yeah, and we're seeing a lot of digital twin in various flavors in multiple boats, and the idea to become clear when people talk about digital twin, what they're really saying is the 3D model representation of what's happening in the factory floor or in the field. But if you slice the topic of digital twin, an Excel spreadsheet for that matter that is showing live data, that's digital and that's real time. So, but that's not what people are thinking when they say digital twin. Digital twin is normally near real time on a 3D representation of the product.
And also, I think the other thing to mention, I mean, certainly that's from the suppliers that have 3D content, so the Siemens, the BTCs, and the Dassauts, and of course Autodesk, I'm sure, will say the same thing. We'll go see them next. But it's very interesting. So, does the information flow one way or both ways? Well, digital twin is about bi-directional. It's about feedback loops. It's about taking not just the as designed information through to the production and product in use, but it's also taking the information about the product in use, its real environmental information, and using that to improve the model, to perhaps do fault finding, and to interact and to try different things. So a very interesting topic and some good demonstrations here.
So should we take a look at my former employer's booth?
We will. Let's go over and have a look.